different places that we could do the rapid test. And one of them was the clinic. I wrote down the name, and I have it on a different piece of paper. It was one of the emergency clinics. Like, if you're sick and you get to go to, like, an emergency. It's not a hospital.
Right.
But the emergency clinic.
Sure.
And so we had to make an appointment, and our appointment was for 1 o'clock. Well, Wes Campbell likes to be prompt, so he was like, get up, wake up, we gotta go. And so, because we were going to do it earlier, long story short, we got there at 12:30. It was raining, Eric, and there were people lined up out the door. People with appointments.
Well, yeah. Didn't I tell you I waited 45 minutes the day before and was the last person in line?
And so, you know me, when I get a little anxious, I tend to be a little diva.
And then she put it all on social media.
So
oh my God!
So we pull around the corner. The older I get, the worse I get too. I don't want to be inconvenienced. I'm a terrible person. And so we pull around the corner, and I see the rain, and I see people like, with their umbrellas, and I'm like, this is so stupid. Take me out. And like, Big West.
It was your husband's fault all of a sudden.
Big West had to bring the hammer down on me.
Well, he needed to bring the hammer down on you. I started bringing on. I'm like, why are you posting this?
He was like, shut up.
Thank you, Wes.
He's like, this is not about you right now. And I was just like, okay. But I honestly, it's because I was nervous.
No, I get that. I understand the anxiety of, and yes, before you text this, yes, 50, the ready test is different. Everybody's going to say, oh, you should have got the other one. I got the same thing.
Yeah, we knew before we left. So once he went and checked us in, and they said, go back to your car. So that I enjoyed. But then when it was time for you to go for your appointment, you go back to the lobby. And the lobby's full of people. And,
right.
they have their masks on. And it's just an uncomfortable tension. It's like no one wants to
you never want to get tested for this.
And everyone's just kind of
They're all there for a reason.
You're in their hands. Your future is too.
Or kind of like you did. They brushed... they knew their cousin's brother's uncle's sister came in contact with somebody that had it. I think they had it.
And I have to tell you, the ladies at the front desk, so sweet.
They have to be.
And so kind.
Put it with people like you, Rita.
I know, I wouldn't be mean to them. I'd just be mean in the parking lot to my husband.
Right.
So sweet and so kind. And so, but I literally was sitting there, and I had my mask on, I had my headphones on, but I could still just hear the noise of people.
Turn that bass down.
And I've tried to explain this to you before, and to my husband.
You said it sounded like zombies.
Like, you ever watch The Walking Dead, and it's just in the background, it's just the noise. It makes me nervous. It literally gives me like anxiety, almost to a panic attack level. That's why I love to wear my headphones. But it was a very weird experience.
Okay, what's the point of all this?
And so when it was finally our turn to go back, the nurse was great, and she knew I was nervous. She was, because they take your blood pressure, and she was like, wow, whatever the top number, bottom number, I don't know, and I don't have blood pressure.
You had white coat syndrome.
Exactly, that's what they said. And I was like, well, yeah. And then they had to do the little pulse ox thing on your finger, and that was fine, but my blood pressure was up, and so when it came time for the Q-tip, I got to go in with my husband, and I was just
Did
like,
you hold your hand?
well, that was the thing. I was like, will you hold my hand? And the lady was just like, just look up. Like, she
right.
And then I kind of tensed up, and she's like, please don't hit me. Please don't kick me.
Yeah.
I'd like to have the app here anywhere from.
It was fine. It's uncomfortable, and
The point of this story is it's okay to get a COVID test. You should get one too.
The things yesterday where you had this conversation on the air.
Yeah. I would much rather have a nasal swab than I've been swabbed in other areas. It wasn't that bad. It was quick. But here's the deal. So because of my husband's service and because of my husband's job, they also gave us the option to get the antibody test as well. But it wasn't the finger stick like you had. They actually had to draw blood. And that one comes back in like 2 days. And I opted out. I was like, I'm good.
So they can tell if you have COVID by a blood test?
And as soon as you do it, you leave and go out to your car. And then...
You didn't feel a little bit of relief at all?
I did.
I was ready to throw a party yesterday.
I did.
I went from feeling like, because I got my results yesterday, I literally went from feeling like...
So everybody on the radio, half of the DJs go get a COVID test?
Energy and
you buying this?
I wanted to throw a party and go... lick a doorknob or something.
It's like a psychosomatic. As soon as they said negative. Well, here's the funny part. Okay, so we're in our car, and then the nurse is coming, and she's kind of looking at cars. And she came to our car, and she goes, "You're who I'm looking for." And I thought, oh my goodness. They had written down that I wanted the antibody, but I told her.
The
So
antibody?
She just found me to make sure I didn't want the antibody, but I thought she was looking for me because I needed to be, hosed down like in the movie Silkwood or something. I thought for sure. But anywho, it was good, and I think everyone, if you have the ability to do it and you've been exposed to someone who could have it, just go do it. It's peace of mind.
Yeah, everybody
Well,
go
that's
get a
what I was-
COVID
And then-
test.
and then go home and
Radio
stay forever.
propaganda.
Look across from you
KOKE
right now.
FM. Everybody go get a
You're
COVID
worse than
test.
even it used to be in the traffic studio.
Uh-huh.
And you could see into where Bob's studio is.
Uh-huh.
What's on the door?
It's a big sign that says, do not enter this studio.
I mean, they had, I don't know if you could tell, but there was another company that came in here yesterday.
Another one?
They cleaned every inch of this building.
Oh, please.
Hosed it down.
Propaganda.
It was like, when they cleaned the chemical spill after Breaking Bad, all that went through. So yeah, all day long yesterday, till about 10 o'clock last night, they were cleaning this entire building. So just peace
Do you
of
think
mind
people
knowing
really
that,
want to listen
okay,
to
at
the
least
story of
people
them
get the
getting a
test.
COVID test?
So,
I mean, seriously?
I did kind of, I feel like you're given a new, like, you're born again. Oh, I'm positive. I mean, I'm negative. But now I don't want my husband to go to work.
yeah.
Oh,
No,
please, yeah.
Because the whole time I was sitting in there, I'm thinking I'm probably going to get it here. I probably don't have it, but I just picked it up.
Well, I always think that when I go to
Do
the
people
doctor,
really think
like,
this crap?
I came there to check if I had something, and I'm probably going to pick it up on a door handle. And
I don't even think it's
so,
real.
yeah. Well, I'm glad you did it, because you were going to try to opt out yesterday, and I kept telling you to go because you were ringing the bell, Bob's bell on
Yeah,
Monday.
I was in Bob's office, and I did grab his bell to ring. And, I went kicking and screaming. But you know what? How did they do that
did
to a
Barbecue
child?
Bob Cole get the COVID? I haven't been on Coke for a
I've
while.
never been around a child, but
It's really tough. I'll admit it. When my kids got their first shots, I bawled like a baby because they cried and Dad cried.
God knows what they gave
them.
them.
Go to the other room, or the first time you see it hurts. You hurt for your kid, probably more than
Oh, these people
Well, I think it was
vaccinate all their
uncomfortable
kids,
when
of
they,
course.
Well, you don't like kids to start with.
when I take my dog to get,
Okay.
yeah.
Your dog doesn't even care. Your dog never cries. You ever notice that? They don't whimper. They're not worried about a shot when they go into the vet.
Might freak out.
This is what people really want to talk about at 6:30 a.m. when they get up in the morning is a COVID test,
Oh, 'cause you get that
a
terrible
nasal
smell.
swab,
Yep.
antibodies,
Thank you. I'm glad I did too.
And, here
babies
you are.
getting shots, and dogs getting shots.
June 25th. And the other part of it, everybody in this, there's our sister station, the Horn. They're in the building too, other end. They never come down here, short of maybe Aaron Hogan to do sports. They really wanted to know my results as well.
Oh,
and the
please.
people that work in this building, downstairs.
This
All
all the
those
radio
people are
talks
interested,
about now, folks, is
promise you.
Well,
COVID.
I have my paperwork. There's a little part of me that
My
thought,
paperwork?
I know you were going to forge it.
I can Photoshop
What are you, a dog?
this and
Take 'em
turn
up.
positive and not have to come to work for a month. I would lose my mind. I'd be so bored.
You wouldn't.
Well,
You thought about it, didn't you?
gee, for half a second, heck yeah. I was like, I could scan this in and I could just doctor this up.
So pay you, and I get a little, get some news coverage,
No,
be a
gosh, no.
statistic. You go sleep over with Bob, hang out with him.
Apparently,
Always the
Barbecue
best
Bob
for,
Cole's got
Barbecue
COVID.
Bob. Lots going on today. Have you heard the new Eric Church yet?
I don't even know what it is.
We'll talk about it, but basically, Vince thought he did. There's no should he. He should have won the Heisman Trophy award way back when.
I thought he
Reggie
did.
Bush, he did not. Reggie Bush wins the award. Now,
Spill your coffee and then traffic. Thank goodness there's KOKE FM. We make all that easier. Online, on your radio, and your digital devices. Digital mornings. Austin, Texas country. KOKE FM.
6:38 Smoke in the morning. This guy's playing tonight. Free Belton Chuffs.